conferences that are held like this around the country, but none in the cleaning industry. Okay, the cleaning industry is void of conferences like this. But what is so interesting about this is we know all the problems on a day-to-day basis in all the chat rooms and all the forums that we're a part of online. We hear problems, but rare are the solutions. So if you can come to a conference like this and you can get solution after solution after solution, then you have a choice. Because now you're aware and you now know what your options are.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I'll stay. I'll stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now
I am getting millions more worth my dollars spent here in Debbie's course and what it can bring to my company.
You learn a lot here, a lot of different techniques, a lot of strategies. It will make you become a better person and a better cleaner.
I'm growing my business, and I know that I needed help, and this was the kind of help that I needed, and the amount of support from Debbie and from the whole membership was just fantastic. I'm so happy I came.
Debbie has become a great mentor to me.
I watch all of her videos, and it's funny because every time I was telling somebody that was coming here, I'm like, she's like a celebrity in the cleaning business.
This answers a lot of problems in the training world. So I'm thrilled.
I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life.
As business owners, we are face to face with customers every day. We want our customers to be pleased with us. But the responsibility that we face and that we have to focus on is something that Debbie touched on in today's session, which is the employee and how we have to care for the employee who is the face of our business face to face with our customer. And if we take care of our employees, they can take care of our customers. So my hat is off to Debbie because she really touched on that today in today's trainers program, which is how to train the trainers so they can take care of your employees. Fantastic conference. I'm such a huge fan, and she did an amazing job.